Fresh strawberry jam in minutes. Let's make it at home. You'll need 500 grams strawberries, 500 grams sugar, and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Wash, hull, and cut the strawberries into halves. Combine strawberries and sugar, let them sit until they release juice. Bring to a boil, mash lightly, and simmer for 10 minutes until thick. Add lemon juice. Test by placing a drop on a chilled plate. If it wrinkles, it's ready. Pour hot jam into sterilized jars, wipe rims, and seal tightly. Cool jars, label with date, and store. Refrigerate after opening. Perfect homemade strawberry jam. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.